Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for maternity leave in Canada. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for canada.ca and then choose your preferred language, English for example, and then go to menu. You will see benefits, you will see employment insurance benefits and leave, press on it, and now you can see maternity and parental benefits, press on it. Now you can see all the sections about this, what these benefits offers. Do you qualify, how much you could receive, employment insurance benefits estimator, and then apply. After you apply, special circumstances and everything. If you already know everything about this, you can go directly to apply. Now you can see follow these steps to apply. Section 1, choose benefits. You will choose maternity leave and then gather required informations, complete the online application, provide required documents. A benefit statement and access code will arrive by mail, and then check the status of our application, and that's it. If you are already familiar with the program, you can go ahead and press on apply, and that's it. You can also see all the details about maternity benefits and everything, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.